everybody, how are you doing? Much love from Vic Falls, Zimbabwe. Okay, so now that you've seen the fun side to this place, I am now going to be talking about the serious side of life, which is work. Okay, there's this perception that if you live in Zimbabwe, you can't work online, or you can but you can't get paid, or there's no way that you can get paid from Zimbabwe. But I will tell you right now that that is all a misconception, because I have been working online for the past 2 years now. I spent a year doing research about how to go about it, and then another 2 years of actually working online and getting paid and accessing my money. So if you want to venture into online work, wherever you are in the world, you can. It's just that Zimbabwe has, certain factors and policies that make it more difficult for us to access those jobs or access the money. But there are ways that I have found which are legal and ethical and, acknowledged in Zimbabwe. So if you want to maintain your financial freedom, or you want to access financial freedom, or you want to multiply your income streams, or you want to leave your job completely like I did, then you can work online. Anyone can work online. Absolutely anybody. There is something for everybody. Okay, it doesn't matter how far you went in education, it doesn't matter the skill that you have, it doesn't matter what your talent is. There is a niche for anything that you can offer online. So if you like reading, if you like writing, if you like singing, cooking, sports, maybe you're into beauty, makeup, hair, maybe you like, literally, okay, what you can do is you can list down the things that you're good at, or the things that you enjoy doing, so that it doesn't feel like so much work to do it when you're doing it. What do you enjoy? What's your passion? And literally, you can convert your passion into a product that you can sell online. So for example, I love writing. Writing is my life. So I literally write for a living online, but that's not the only thing you can do. You can design. Fashion designers, graphic designers, artists, sports people. If you have a nice voice, you can sell your voice online. They can use your voice as a voiceover. They can use your voice for a commercial. It's just a matter of identifying what you love to do, and then knowing where to look for the platform that will buy your skill, your services, or your talent. It's that simple. So, like I said, this video is mostly targeted at those who live in Zimbabwe who are trying to make a living online. Okay, you need the basics. The basics obviously are electricity. Okay, yeah, I know electricity, it should be a given, but you need electricity simply because you're going to be using Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi, why Wi-Fi? Because you need to be available for your clients whenever they need you to be available. Okay, so if you don't have electricity, it means you don't have Wi-Fi. You can use data bundles, but I'm telling you, it will turn out a bit more costly to use data bundles every single day for your jobs, because you might as well invest in Wi-Fi. And there are ways to go about it. Let's say you don't always have electricity, you don't always have Wi-Fi. You can literally go to maybe an internet cafe if there is a nice functioning one close by, or you can go to your auntie's house who has a generator if you don't have one and has Wi-Fi. There are ways around it. There really are ways around anything if you really want to. Okay? And then obviously when you have your electricity and your Wi-Fi, you have your gadgets, okay? Depending on what you are doing. I write, so I need a laptop, okay? I can't do anything without my laptop. But if, for example, you are making money through social media, let's say you're making money through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which I will go into how you can make money on different platforms, then you just need a good quality phone, a really good quality phone, and maybe a tablet or any gadget that will connect you to the internet. Okay, so those are the basics. In terms of payment methods, this is where it gets a bit unique for us. The world uses PayPal to pay freelancers. Okay, so when you're working online, you're a freelancer, or you can actually get a permanent job if you're hired by a company. But anyway, the world uses PayPal. Okay, but for this particular course, PayPal will not work in Zimbabwe. You can set up a PayPal account, and it can, you can get paid by a client into your PayPal, but you will not be able to access your money. So what is the point of working if you can't access your money, right? So now what you need firstly is a Nostro bank account. Okay, you need a Nostro bank account. Why? Because the fact that we don't have PayPal means clients will be using World Remit to pay into your bank account. It's very rare to find a client who is going to send you money on World Remit. You can, but that's mostly after you've already established a relationship and they trust you enough to know that, you are going to be working for them, consistently. But most clients want to pay you by wiring money into your account. Okay, so get your Nostro bank account ready. It doesn't matter what bank it is. As long as you have a Nostro bank account, you can then share the details with your clients and they will find a way to wire the funds into your account. So that's the first payment method. The second payment method is called Payoneer. Payoneer, Payoneer, Payoneer. So Payoneer is like PayPal, but with less features and benefits and advantages. However, Payoneer works in Zimbabwe. Okay, I've put a link in the comments to the Payoneer website where you can register today. You can register now. You can sign up now so that you have a Payoneer account. So the reason why you need both payment methods ready is because you will find some clients who will say, no, I don't want to wire funds straight into your bank account because it's costly for me. They will say, do you have an alternative? And then the alternative that you have is Payoneer. Okay, and then all they simply have to do is transfer funds into Payoneer. Once you have money in your Payoneer account, you can then transfer that money into your Nostro bank account. So it goes back to having to have a Nostro bank account. So you can transfer your funds from Payoneer into your Nostro bank account, and then you can withdraw your money from the ATM. You can't use your Payoneer card to withdraw money on the ATM. You have to transfer the funds into your Nostro bank account. Okay, so once you've registered for your Payoneer account and you've linked it with your Nostro bank account, you can apply for the Payoneer MasterCard. And you can use that card to even swipe in certain stores. It does work. But if you need hard cash, you have to transfer the money from your Payoneer into your Nostro bank account. Okay, I've provided my email address. If you have any questions or it's not clear, you can always drop me an email and I'll be more than happy to help you set up your different payment methods if you've decided that you want to work online. I guess the burning question is, so where can I find these jobs? Where can I find these jobs? I want to start working now, but just set yourself up first, okay? It's a process. So, as I said, make sure that you have access to electricity, because you might get a job right now and then you don't have electricity and you don't have Wi-Fi and all those things. So you need to be positioned correctly. Okay, make sure that you have Wi-Fi, make sure that you have electricity, make sure you have your gadgets, your laptop, your tablet, your phone, whatever it is, and then your Nostro bank account and your Payoneer account. So those 5 elements are so important to establish you ready to work online. Okay, so like I said, I have put in an email address where you can reach out if you need any clarification on anything, and I'm hoping that this is your roots to financial freedom right here in Zimbabwe. And today, this is my office. I'm working from Yes, so one of the advantages of working online is you don't even need to be stuck in an office. You can decide I'm going to work in a park. It's a bit chilly, so I might head over to a cafe which is just across the road, and I'll work there while having my coffee. So these are one of the advantages of working online. You can work from anywhere. I usually work from home because I'll be caring for my kids, but my mom is around and she has the kids, so I literally have this freedom to work and make sure that my clients are happy. So online is the way, guys. Online is the way. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notifications button. Next week I will be talking about how to prepare your online CV. Your online CV is different from the CV you use to apply for physical jobs. It's a completely different ball game. It doesn't matter, like I said, how much school you have, how much talent, how much experience. You just need a document for the client to think, okay, I want to work with you. So I will be talking about how to prepare your documents, which is why I'm not jumping the gun to telling you apply for this, apply for that, because you need to set yourself up. Otherwise, you will not find any jobs if you are not prepared. Okay, so in the meantime, until next week, Wi-Fi, electricity, gadgets, Nostra account, Payoneer, and then we're good to go. Okay, feel free to hit me up in my email and I will explain anything that you need more explanation to. Okay, take care, guys.